In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set date 30 days from now in Google Sheets. Need to track an invoice due date or plan a 30-day challenge? You don't need a calendar. With a simple formula, you can always see the date exactly 30 days ahead of today. Start by clicking into any empty cell and typing today. Then press enter. That function returns today's date based on your spreadsheet's time zone, and it refreshes automatically each day you open or recalc the sheet. Think of dates in Google Sheets as numbers under the hood. Each day is the number 1, yesterday is today minus 1, and tomorrow is today plus 1. Sheets normally formats X today as a readable date for you. If you ever see a plain number, it just means the cell is formatted as a number and you can switch it to a date format. Next, create the date 30 days from now. In a nearby cell, type an equals sign, click the cell with your today date, and type plus 30. Press enter. Because days are counted in ones, adding 30 moves you forward 30 calendar days. That gives you the future date many people loosely call a month from now. Keep in mind, this is precisely 30 days, not a calendar month that could be 28, 30, or 31 days, so your result is consistent every time. If you prefer to skip the helper cell, you can put the whole thing in a single formula. Equals today is 30. Type that directly into any cell, and you instantly have a rolling deadline that always stays 30 days ahead of the current date. Each day when the sheet recalculates, your due date moves forward too, so your tracker never goes stale. This approach is great for invoices, reminders, or habit streaks that run on a consistent 30-day window. It's simple math that makes your planning smarter without extra work. If you need business days only or true month-end logic, there are specialized functions for that. But for a straightforward 30-day horizon, this is the cleanest and fastest method. One small note about updating today. Changes once per day, typically just after midnight in your spreadsheet's time zone. So if you open the file tomorrow, your future date will advance as well. That's what makes it perfect for dashboards and trackers. You set it once, and it quietly keeps your deadlines aligned without any manual updates. Simple math for better tracking. If you found this helpful, follow for more Google Sheets tips, and I'll see you in the next one.